Hey guys, today I'm going to present you the automated incident triage and ticketing agent, also called it AITTA in short. So this is the current problems which we are having when a AITT is an automation agent that triage, alert and create tickets under 2 minutes, replacing 15 to 20 minutes of a manual work. If any person or DevOps will see the logs with the screen, like the Splunk logs, and see what kind of error with our applications, and then it will create the tickets based on the CMDB, so that we can have the proper incident and Jira ticket assigned to us. So the current problem is there are thousands of alerts, of which is daily log alerts generated by our application. And if you browse ticket at a time or one agent at a time, okay, so it will take like 15 to 20 minutes by a manual intervention. But this agent is a smart agent, and this the AI automation market opportunity, which will help the enterprises to agent with the MCP protocols, and it will create a dual tickets for dev and operational, so that they can reveal and understand the true what is going behind the scene. And it is a truly AI agent and autonomous decision maker, which can help us to faster our incident trial management, and this is an production ready compliance. So how it flows, like in terms of, like, first it will scan the Splunk log for potential incident. Then it will, like, let's say any application have any kind of logs which is down, or network issue which is not working. Then it will understand, get its configuration, which is the server, like DB is down, and who is the corresponding team. And then it will enhance and using the LLM to understand the incident and the AI reasoning. Then it will create a logs, like in terms of Jira, and assign to the corresponding team, so that they can work on and also generate the incident, so that people can so that the relevant team can correspondingly understand and get the alert on the same time. So this is the traditional approach. Like, when we what is the problem with the previous issues, that like we use a lot of application use if then rules, and even manual intervention can use this. But this smart agent is an automating decision maker, and understand the false alarm, and understand the application which is corresponding there, and then generate the relevant log. So this is the current architecture diagram. I am using Python and fast API. Plus it has a dual LLM support, like Google, Gemini and Claude. Plus these are the applications which are I am using to generate this corresponding issues. So it will save a lot of developers estimation, like effort, so that it can potentially help us, like a manual intervention take 15 minutes, it saves the time within a 2 minutes to generate a log. Let me demo you how our AITTA works. So basically this is a kind of a dashboard which will tell us like how many tickets is generated this month, and what are the live agent activities of that, what the agent done. And this is the Swagger API, which we can trigger, like I'm setting up the time for 24 hours to scan the 24 hours issues. And this is my GitHub repository. Before starting off any application, this application, I have completely set up the run, and we can run the application along with the everything is uploaded in the GitHub, so that you can go and start revising the application. And even I have set up guide, because this system uses a live Jira and other thing which is running on my local right now. And so this is Splunk which is running on my local, which has telling us that there are two issues which is generated by our application is there. And this is a corresponding Jira tickets which we have, like Jira, it is assigned to the corresponding team by getting this information from ServiceNow. And this is the incidents management system which we have, like a ServiceNow in every enterprises. So I'm going to present you a short demo. Okay, and this is how if you run this command, it will generate a potential log which we can see over Splunk. And if you see, I have just generated one log, and it will add it over here like the third one I have added it. And now I'm going to run my API so that a user can see how a user can, like, I'm scanning last 24 hours, and based on this it will start executing. And if you want to see how I'm running this thing on my VS Code, and this is how I run my API by using Python app.py. And this is the dashboard, which is UI, which I'm running via this. And right now our application is running, and you can see that it is generating it has get this understanding and get this owners generated. And this is the previous ticket. Now currently it is working on, and you can see it is scanning the Splunk log for last 24 hours, and it has found this issue by using this is the server, and these are the three number of relevant log entries from the Splunk. Now I'm going to demo one alert at a time because it will take time. So you see that cat 26 has been generated on the Jira. Plus it also has created a new incident 1009 by understanding first team and get the team owner, like who is the team and which is the server. So all the details are there. If you want to see, I can show you. This is a truly running application. And if you go to, it's generated 26. If you go right now, it's 25. So you see that cat 26. Just a minute, I just, this is the Jira ticket. It has showing like cat 27, and this is the description generated by our AI agent in using MCP server. And we have also generated one of the incident few minutes back. Let me refresh this. And this is coming from one of the server, and it will alert the team so that there is experience in network connectivity issue. Due to that, our server will run it and check, and corresponding team has been notified. And everything is set up in GitHub. You can go and explore and let me know for any improvement. We can work together. And this will end my demo session. And if you have any question, anything, you can always visit my repo. And if you have anything, you can come back to me via my email. I'm there to follow you up. Thank you.